What is up, everybody, and welcome back. The most common question I get has to be what to expect from your fence's warranty. What's typically included and not included. So today, we're going to dig into it. But real quick, before we get into it, if you find this content helpful, educational at all, it would mean the world to me if you gave it a like. It lets YouTube know that I'm making content that you guys enjoy watching. Also, if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing. And when you do, hit that notification bell and change the settings to all so that YouTube lets you know each and every time they have new content available. With all that being said, let's dig into the subject of what to expect from your next fence's warranty. Now, when we're talking about warranties, the most important thing to understand is the warranties typically have two parts. There's a workmanship warranty and a material warranty. So we're going to talk about those two warranties separately. Now, a workmanship warranty is a warranty that pretty much any fencing contractor should offer you, the customer, because it's them warranting that they install the fence properly and that it will work as intended for years to come because they installed it using the correct processes, procedures, the correct installation methods. The main thing that workmanship warranty is going to cover is going to be the gates, that they open and close easily, that they don't drag the ground, generally that they operate in the way that a gate should operate for years to come. But the term is going to vary on what materials are used to install the gate. In our company, we use steel posts, steel gate frames, and steel hardware, so we offer a lifetime workmanship warranty. We know that if that gate is installed correctly on day one, that it'll work correctly for generations to come. The second component to the workmanship warranty is going to be the fence posts. How well are they set? Are they set to the correct depth, the correct width? Is there enough concrete that's going to hold these posts straight and true for generations to come? The reason this is important is this is a step that I see skipped so often. The homeowner rarely knows what depth the posts are set at and how much product is used to set those posts. The second type of warranty is going to be a materials warranty. Now, this warranty isn't typically issued by the contractor. The contractor doesn't manufacture the materials. They simply purchase them either from a manufacturer or from a wholesaler. The actual manufacturer of the materials is going to issue the warranty, and it's going to vary by manufacturer to manufacturer, product to product. Now, what's covered under the materials warranty? Is typically going to be any of the physical components used to install the fence. If we're talking about a wood fence, it's going to be the posts, the rails, the pickets, the fasteners to attach them together, the gate hardware itself, the materials used to install the gate. It's going to be anything you can see and touch as related to the fence. Now, the materials warranties themselves are going to vary pretty greatly from manufacturer to manufacturer. Whether we're talking about wood, chain link, ornamental iron, or steel, each manufacturer has their own warrantying process. And also, each warranty is going to have likely a different warranty for each different component that they manufacture. It's important to have the contractor let you know exactly what materials are going to be used and what warranties also come with those materials. Asking for the material warranty information up front and in writing ensures that quality materials are going to be used on your next fencing project. The warranty process is probably one of the most overlooked and misunderstood portions of the fencing installation process. If you have more questions or comments on the warranties as they apply to fences, let me know in the comments below. I always love hearing your guys' feedback and try to be as helpful as possible as quickly as possible. I can't wait to hear your thoughts on fencing warranties and what to expect. But for now, I'm Joe Everest, the fence expert, reminding you that good fences make good neighbors.